Google just turned its search bar into a free POD niche research tool, and almost nobody is using it yet. I'm going to show you the exact word to type into Google. So it hands you t-shirt niches you can sell on Amazon merch today. No pay tools, no design skills, totally free. Let me show you exactly how to do this. Let's get into the screen. Okay, here's where we're going. By the end of this video, you'll have a list of real niche ideas. This is one right here on my screen. And you know exactly how to turn one into a design and upload it to Amazon merch, Redbubble, or Etsy. Here's the big deal. Google added a new feature called AI mode. AI stands for artificial intelligence, if you didn't know. It just means the computer can think and write back to you like a person. Old Google gave you blue links. New Google AI actually answers you. So instead of guessing what t-shirt to make, you can just ask Google and it tells you. Let's start simple. What even is this? For years, you typed something into Google and got a page of blue links. You had to click each one and read it yourself. That took forever. Now Google has a new tab called AI mode. Think of it as texting like a smart friend who has read the whole internet. You ask a question in plain English, it writes back a real answer and gives you links to check too. Let me show you where it lives. That's it. That little tab turns plain Google into a research helper. The best part, it's totally free. You don't pay a dime. So why does this matter for your store or your account? Let me make it real. The hardest part of print on demand isn't making the designs. It's knowing what to make. Most beginners open up an Amazon merch on demand account, stare at a blank screen, and have no idea what shirt people actually want to buy. They guess. They upload random stuff. Nothing sells. This tool fixes that. Watch what happens when I ask Google right away. Look at that. It didn't just say nurses like funny shirts. It gave me actual sub-niches and real phrases. See this one? ICU nurse shirts. See this one? Night shift nurse jokes. These are tiny specific groups of people, and tiny specific groups are exactly what wins on Amazon merch because there's way less competition than just typing in nurse shirt. Each line on the list is a shirt you can make and upload today. That's why you should care. All right, now let's build your own niche list from scratch. Follow along and copy exactly what I do. I'll number every step. Step 1. Open Google AI mode. Step 2, type your first research question. Pick a group of people you want to sell to. Step 3, read the list and pick your favorites. See how specific these are? German Shepherd mom is way better than just dog mom. Fewer sellers are fighting over it. That's your opening. Step 4, ask Google to check if the niche is too crowded. Step 5, get the actual shirt text written for you. Now, I've got the niche and the words for the shirt all free, all in like 2 minutes. Step 6, turn the phrase into a design with the AI image tool. Ideogram is a free AI design tool. AI design tool, that just means you type words and it draws a picture for you. It's really good at putting text on the image, which is exactly what you need for shirts. Step 7, type your design prompt into Ideogram. Step 8, put your favorite image and download it. Step 9, upload your design to Amazon merch. Step 10, fill the title, brand, and bullet points, then submit. And that's the whole loop. Google gave you the niche. Google gave you the words. Ideogram made the image. Amazon merch is now selling it. $0 spent. Real quick, before we get into the pro tips, if you want a head start, I put together a free design spreadsheet down below. It's a big list of proven niches, prompts you can copy and paste straight into Google AI mode and Ideogram. It's 100% free. The link is down below in the description. Grab it, and then come right back here. Let me show you 2 more niches the same exact way. So you see, this isn't a one-time lucky thing. Niche example 1, teachers. Same steps, niche from Google, design from Ideogram. This one's ready for Redbubble, Etsy too, not just Amazon merch on demand. Niche example 2, fishing dads. So now you've seen it 3 times. Nurses, teachers, fishing dads, the same exact free workflow. You could do 10 of these before lunch. Tip 1, ask Google for the holiday or season angle. This is huge. Most sellers upload random designs all year. Smart sellers upload for the holiday that's coming next. Ask Google what's coming. Then make sure it's for it early, before everyone else floods in. Tip 2, make Google sound like a buyer, not a seller. When you tell Google to be the customer, it gives you the exact words real buyers use. Drop those words into your title, bullet points on Amazon merch, and your listing shows up when those people search. So I want you to think about that for Etsy too as well. Tip 3, check the links Google gives you for proof. AI mode shows its source right here. Click them. That's your free fact check. It proves the niche is real and not just made up. Never skip this part. Here's the one thing to remember. You don't have to guess what to sell anymore. Google's free AI mode hands you the niche, the shirt phrase, and the buyer words. An Ideogram makes a design for you for free. That's a complete $0 POD research tool hiding inside of a search bar you already use pretty much every day. Now I want to hear from you. Drop in the comments with your very first niche idea with Google AI mode. I read every single one of them. If this video helped you at all, smash that like button, push this into the algorithm more, subscribe with notification bells on. I drop new AI tools like this for your print-on-demand business every single week. You do not want to miss the next one. And if you want a free research guide, it's going to be down below in the description. And if you want more low competition niche ideas, watch this video right here next. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.